and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasiti Chawda and today's video is very important because in today's video I am going to show you some alternative app of Shein. Now, we all know that Shein banned in India and we have to respect our government orders. And जब से Shein मैंने न्यूज़ सुना था कि Shein बैन हो गया, from that day I am searching so many websites जो Shein जैसे like affordable, fashionable, trendy clothes जहाँ पे मिले. Now we all know that H&M, Zara and Forever 21 is similar stuff to Shein because Shein used to copy from them. Now other than that, I have found some amazing website which has some fashionable, trendy clothes and affordable also. Okay, so whatever website I am going to mention, I will leave the link in the description. So please check that out if you want to buy stuff from those websites. And this video is not sponsored. So whatever website I am going to mention, from those websites I will buy some stuff. So once I will get those stuff, I will make review of those product video also. So please wait for that. So now without wasting much time, let's jump into the video. Okay, so the first website is Alarm Mode. Now this website is on Instagram. Now I will mention the product and everything somewhere here. Now this website has some amazing trendy pieces. And because I am shooting this video on my phone, so मेरे पास यहाँ पे लैपटॉप है, यहाँ से मैं देख उनका पेज खोल रही हूँ and यहाँ से I will tell you कि उनकी क्या क्या product and क्या है. So they have some amazing dresses and जो trend में चला है like puffy sleeve and floral and everything. They have this kind of a stuff here. They have a mask and so many Instagram blogger है जो like Komal Pandey, Roshni Bhatia. Those people are also buying so many stuff from this website. So you must check this out because they have a huge collection of like a crop top, dresses, corsets, PJs, masks and everything. Please check that out. Alarm Mode, Akansha, and they have also very affordable stuff. And okay, second website is Eva Young or Eva Young. I am not sure if I am pronouncing correct or not. But this website has some amazing cute little crop tops and some fancy dresses and corsets. Now, in this website, if you see, I have found so much good and trendy pieces and they have like a small cute crop top which is very adorable. And some of the product I like the most is this red crop top. Now this crop top has like a flower kind of a detail on it and I absolutely love this top. And other than that, I love this dress also. So I absolutely love this dress. It is very like a girly floral and off shoulder which looks very cute and pretty. And I am planning to buy this dress because it is very cute and my birthday is coming. So I am planning to buy this dress. So yes, if you love crop tops and coordinate and cute dresses, then please check out Eva Young. Okay, so the next website is very similar to Shein. Now this website name is Urbanic. Now iska app bhi available hai on a Play Store, so please check that out. Now this website is very affordable and jitna bhi Shein ke paas jaisa stuff tha, almost they have a similar kind of a stuff. And the good thing of this site is कि Shein also used to have like a plus size range. ये साइट में भी plus size range वालों के लिए भी बहुत सारे options हैं. And this website also has a home decor thing, blazer, coordinate sets, jumpsuits, skirts, top, crop top, beach wears, everything they have, and also at affordable prices. And one more thing, I bought one top from Shein. I will post pictures somewhere here. So many of you asking me कि ये बहुत अच्छा top है and we want to buy a similar kind of a top. I found similar kind of a top in this website. I will put pictures somewhere here. I bought that top around like 1100 and ये site पे भी similar kind of a top 1100 पे ही है. So according to price range, it is a very affordable thing. And I love so many stuff from this website and they have like so much trendy pieces. And let me just show you some of my favorite product from this site. So first is this white top which has some tie-up detail. Now I absolutely love white color and I also love this skirt which has lemon yellow and a green color which has some leaf kind of a thing which is very summery and trendy right now, and I am more into a skirt, so I absolutely love this site. So please check that out, Urbanic, for some cool affordable prices kind of a stuff. Okay, so the next site is Alia by Stage 3. Now this website is on Instagram and I absolutely love their products so much. And they also have some Indo-Western stuff. And if you know that Shein has also launched their like a kurti or wo sab stuff, वहाँ पे भी मिलना start हो गया था थोड़े time पहले. And this website also has some Indo-Western stuff. Now I am not going to compare this site with Shein because this site is much better than Shein and they have some affordable clothing pieces for sure. And let me just show you इनका site कैसा दिखता है. And I absolutely love their products so much. Definitely I am going to buy something from this site for sure. Now I absolutely love this dhoti pant which is in a champagne color. because I can style this dhoti pant in so many different ways. So I am planning to buy this dhoti pant for sure. If it is available in my size, then definitely I am going to buy this dhoti pant. And other thing which I love the most, it is this white color transparent shirt. Now I am this kind of a person who is easily gravitated to a white color, and this white shirt is very classic, feminine, and everything which I want is this white shirt has. So I am planning to buy this white shirt. I am not sure because I have so many white stuff, but I absolutely love that dhoti pant. So maybe I am going to buy dhoti pant. So if you want to buy some Indo-Western and some trendy pieces, then please check out Alia by Stage 3. Okay, so the next website is a very affordable one, and it is very trendy and 19 inspired. And right now, if you know that 90s trend is going on, so this website is also on Instagram. The page name is a Burger Bay, and I absolutely love their product. And they have some amazing cute little crop tops, graphic tees, hoodies, and अभी ये trend चला है कि वो dye वाले hoodies and dye wale crop tops and all those stuff. They have some amazing those kind of stuff. They have some crop tops and coordinate sets also, which is amazing, and I absolutely love this green color off-shoulder top. I'm planning to buy so much stuff from this website because they have like a cool trendy pieces, and their crop top I can layer with so many stuff. So I'm definitely going to buy some stuff from this website. So please check that out. This website for like a cool graphic hoodie and crop tops. This website is amazing for those kind of stuff, and it is affordable also. Okay, so the next website is one of my favorite one, and I absolutely love every single thing from this website. And I found this website like 4-5 days back, and this website is a very new one. Like इनका Instagram account अभी May 27 को ही open हुआ इनका first post. So this is a very new one. Now they have a very less product range, but whatever they have, it is absolutely perfect. They are a little bit expensive, but whatever pictures I have seen, according to that picture, I can say कि उनका product बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा, because from pictures it looks very expensive. So please check out this website. The page name is a Shop Love and Demons. I will mention their product and everything somewhere here. And I absolutely love their site so much. Let me just show you their products and all of their stuff. And as you can see, like crop tops, this white color top I absolutely love, but I'm not going to buy white stuff so much. I'm gravitated to white so much, so I'm not going to buy. But I love this yellow small flower kind of a detail thing, kind of crop top, and which has some tie-up details and ruffles kind of a sleeve, which I absolutely love. And this is very trendy, and this stuff is, and this side is also inspired like a very vintage kind of a stuff, which I absolutely love. And this website is one of my favorite, and I think I am going to buy so much stuff from this website in near future also. So if your budget is on a higher side, then please check that out, this site, because there's some cool stuff, guys. So please check out Shop Love and Demons for some amazing trendy pieces. Okay, so the next department is for accessories. Now this page I found on Instagram, and I absolutely love their product and everything, because they have some cool trendy accessories, and they have like a neck pieces and earrings in oxidized also, and they have a dainty jewelry which is very trendy right now, and some amazing clips, hairband, mask, juttis, and they have a huge range of a bag also, and they have I really love their product, and I'm going to buy this bag from this page also. Now this page, now DP Threads don't have a website, but उनका जहाँ पे bio है, if you see their bio on Instagram, so उनके bio में इनके बारे में एक लिंक है जिसपे फोन नंबर है. इफ यू आर गोइंग टू क्लिक ऑन दैट लिंक, सो उनका सीधा व्हाट्सएप ओपन होता है. सो फ्रॉम दैट व्हाट्सएप नंबर यू कैन सेंड पिक्चर्स एंड यू कैन आस्क फॉर अ प्राइस रेंज, एंड फ्रॉम देयर यू कैन एबल टू बाय प्रोडक्ट्स. सो दिस इज हाउ इट वर्क्स, and I absolutely love their every product, I guess, and they have amazing stuff. For amazing accessories, please check out DP Threads. Okay guys, that's it for the video. I hope this video is helpful to you, and if you enjoy watching my video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And for more life update and behind the scene, you can also follow me on Instagram, and please press the bell icon so whenever I post a new YouTube video, you will get notification. Till then, be kind, eat healthy, and bye.